A Discover card may decline due to several reasons. One common reason is suspicious activity, which occurs when the bank tracking your spending habits notices an unusual pattern, such as an excessively expensive purchase. To protect the account from potential fraud, the bank may temporarily freeze it, causing the card to decline when used. This issue can be resolved by contacting the bank and verifying that the pricey purchase was intentional, allowing them to unfreeze the account. Another reason for a declined card is international transactions without prior notification of travel plans, which may be perceived as fraudulent activity. In such cases, a temporary hold is placed on the account, and the card cannot be used until the issue is clarified with the bank. Additionally, a maxed-out credit card or depleted debit card account can also cause a decline, as the spending limit has been reached or there are insufficient funds to continue using the card. Some of the debt must be cleared or funds must be added to the account. These are some of the common reasons a Discover card may decline, and addressing the underlying issue can resolve the problem and allow for continued use of the card.